Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Action, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, we will need this SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. This little thing comes provided with a device in a box somewhere between like the paperwork, so you can get it from there. Or if you don't want to bother, you can get a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. So from here, let's pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, as you just seen. Once you press it in, the tray will pop out, and from here you have space for a SD card and SIM card, or I believe also 2 SIM cards. Let me just quickly test it. Yep, so you can place a SIM card on the SD tray, but I'm gonna use one of each, so let's just move it over here and then pop the SD card on here as well, so like so. As you can see, they're laying flash on here, make sure that they are, and from there simply insert it back into the device. Now keep in mind that there's nothing really holding those cards, so if you flip it to the side they will literally fall out. There we go. And once you insert it, there we go, there's the pin for the SIM card. I'm gonna confirm that. The SIM card is obviously working, and SD card as well, although the name of it is a little bit weird. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.